Now, a lot of you have been waiting for the new Canon PRO-1100. We've been getting calls daily. When are they releasing this new printer? Well, look, it's finally here and it's an amazing printer. We sat down with Canon UK and they told us all the new features of this new printer, and we're going to talk to you about them today. One of the key new features of this printer is the new Lucia Pro 2 inks. They're wax-based, scratch-resistant, and print beautifully. These new inks are 200-year light fastness, so when used with an archival paper like the PermaJet fine art range, they will last up to 200 years. Now, if you're a photographer or a printer that loves printing panoramics, now this is the printer for you. The Canon PRO-1100 can print up to 3.27 meters. Its predecessor could only print up to 1.2 meters, which is minuscule compared to this. This is 3.27 meters. Now, that's pretty long. Other key features of the PRO-1100 include expanded black and white mode, where you can just pre-select black and gray inks. You can also now turn off the Chrome Optimizer or just lay the Chrome Optimizer on printed areas. It's got an ink warning percentage system where you can pre-select a percentage of when it warns you that you're going to run out of ink. At PermaJet, we've been doing some comparisons from the Canon PRO-1000 to the Canon PRO-1100, and one of the new features of the Canon PRO-1100 is the new deeper blacks, and you can definitely tell. Now, these are more scratch resistant, and with the new Lucia inks that last up to 200 years, you can definitely tell a difference between the two. Now, stepping away from black and white, we've also been testing colors. Now, as you can see, it's just so much more vibrant than the PRO-1000. Now, this one is the PRO-1100, and one thing I can definitely see is the colors. The blues are just more striking. They look electric. Now, the blacks are definitely deeper as well. On the PRO-1000, it just looks a little bit more faded. We're not saying that it's a bad print. It's still a great print. But on the newer PRO-1100, yeah, it's definitely worth upgrading to the latest printer. It's more blue, it's just more vibrant, it's more punchy, it's exactly what you want from a printer. Now, people have been waiting for this printer for years, so let's just round this up quickly. If you're looking for a new printer today, we definitely recommend the new Canon PRO-1100. We're not knocking the Canon PRO-1000, it's still an incredible printer, but the new PRO-1100 is definitely well worth its money. Now, if you want to know more information about this printer, just leave a comment down below. Make sure you click that like button on the way down to those comment section. And if you want to visit PermaJet.com, please do. We can tell you more information about the printer there. Now, for everything else, thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned.